In this video, I'll walk you through some effective troubleshooting steps for Outlook issues like crashing, freezing, or just refusing to open. So let's get started. First, let's try the simplest solution. Opening Outlook in safe mode. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run command. Type outlook.exe/safe and click OK. If Outlook opens successfully in safe mode, try disabling your add-ins one by one to see which one is the problem. If safe mode didn't work, let's try repairing Outlook itself. Microsoft Office has a built-in repair tool. Go to the Apps tab and click on Installed Apps. Locate Microsoft Office Professional. Click on the three dots next to it and select Modify. You'll probably get a user account control prompt. Click Yes to allow the application to run as administrator. Now choose Quick Repair and click on Repair. This process will attempt to fix any common issues with your Outlook installation. If the repair didn't solve the problem, the issue might lie with your Outlook data file. We can use the built-in Scan PST tool to try and repair it. Scanpst.exe is usually located in one of these folders. Click on scanpst.exe. Use the Browse option to select your corrupted PST file. Click Start to begin the scanning process. After scanning, ScanPST will tell you if it found any errors it can repair. Click Repair. Once the repair is complete, rename the repaired PST file and try opening Outlook again. Now ScanPST is great for minor corruption, but if your PST file is severely damaged, it might not be enough. In that case, you'll need a specialized PST repair tool. I recommend SFWare PST Repair. Download, install, and open the SFWare PST Repair tool. Select Normal Scan. Choose a destination for the repaired PST file and click Repair. Once the repair is done, you can preview the results and save the file if you're happy with it. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods has helped you fix your Outlook problems. For more detailed instructions and troubleshooting tips, check out the link in the description below.